How do we use the Texas Public Information Act, aka Open Records, to
Hmm.
uncover hidden police files?
All right. I'll say hidden is just like not public stuff they
Right.
don't want you to know. I have like a form statement that I use that's
Hmm.
been crafted over the years. Since I am an attorney and on the case, I can ask for it three ways. I send a discovery request which says I want the stuff. Then I send a subpoena to their custodian of records that says you need to bring all this stuff to court.
Right.
Or you can send it to me. And then I send a public information request. Because then there's three ways they got to beat me, right? They're not going to beat me all three ways. You can just send a request, and the one I use is I say, please accept this email as a request for public information. I am seeking the complete internal affairs file, including all documents, text, audio, video, email, messages, statements, findings, et cetera, for this either person, right, or list of people. And they'll get it, and then they get a chance to either object and ask the attorney general, or they have to send it to me. They don't have very long, so they got to decide
Yeah.
real fast what they're going to do. So what they can redact is like people's social security numbers and stuff
Yeah.
like that. Because people think you can get your police report that way, but they can
Right.
object because the case is ongoing. But that's not an objection to an internal affairs file. And so just start asking, just list everything you can think of and make them send it to you. You'd be surprised at
Awesome.
what you get. Plus, everything's filmed now. So you get all these really
Yeah.
awkward interviews with these officers. And they're like, well, we think you did something pretty bad. And they're like, really? Me? No way. They're like, oh, yeah.
Hmm.
And so it's just funny watching cops get interrogated because you think they would know better, but it's wild.
Do they ever have lawyers present?
Okay, so they have separate rules for being
Oh.
interrogated because they're special. They get to they have more protections than you do if you get interrogated. And then they have
Mm.
like a union rep from the Police Officers Association come in and try to shut it down if it's too bad. But
Right.
no, they get a lot of protection if they make statements because they kind of have to. And so